Hello everyone, my name is Brijesh and I am Digital Marketing Head in LimitSoft Solution, which is a Bangalore based company, and we are handling a lot of clients from international to domestic one. And my suggestion is basically to the students, those who are looking for a good career scope and good job opportunities in digital marketing, so they should learn it from the experts, not from the, it's not only consuming the content from the internet or consuming the content from YouTube. So internet and YouTube, of course, getting knowledge from there, it's okay, we get information. However, for expertise, we need to have the proper training program under the guidance of expert. Those who are telling you to work on the client projects, until and unless they work on the client projects, they will not be able to inform you, right? So my only suggestion is that you should work and you should learn the company which is having a good exposure in digital marketing work.